Nick's coffee room is continuing to expand, and Nick has just hired 2 new employees and promoted one of his cashiers to an assistant manager position. In this course, Nick will learn how to add new employees and edit existing employees in the back office.
Wow, Nick, it looks like business is really booming around here.
It sure is. I've had to hire 2 new baristas. Can you show me how to set them up in the back office?
Of course. Select the Employees menu in the back office. On this screen, you'll see a list of employees that are already in the system, including their employee ID, short name, email, phone number, and user role. To add a new employee to the system, select Add an Employee. The employee name, short name, and user role fields are required. The short name appears on the customer receipts, so we recommend using the employee's first name and last initial. Depending on the user role you assign to the employee, new fields will appear in the Add an Employee form. Cashier roles and above require a PIN to log into the POS app. Account Manager, Store Manager, and Cashier Plus roles also require back-office login credentials.
What is the Employee ID field used for?
The Employee ID field is optional. You can set your own Employee ID numbers, or NCR Silver will automatically generate the numbers for you. The Employee ID is used for payroll purposes and is also shown on the time clock report. The email address field is another optional field, but only for roles that can access the POS only. If the role includes any back office features, you must enter an email address for each employee.
What is the email address used for?
By default, the email address is also the username to log into the back office, but it's also used for resetting a user's password if necessary.
Professor Silver, because Nick's coffee room has been so busy lately, I've decided to promote one of my cashiers to an assistant manager. Can you show me how to change her user role?
Sure, that's easy. Select the employee's name from the list on the employee's page. You can also use the search box to find the employee. On the employee detail page, you can edit any of the fields, including changing the user role and resetting the POS PIN. You also have the option to remove an employee from the employee detail page if necessary. Remember, when you delete an employee record, it is a soft delete, so the history for that employee is maintained. Managing your employee profiles in the back office is simple. You can add new employees or edit the details of existing employees.
Nick is able to keep up with his growing business by hiring new employees and editing existing employees' user roles in the back office. In the next course, Nick will learn how to manage his employees' time clock activity.